is my Fusion DJ headphones, Fusion A71 high series. Go with me through this journey as we unbox my new Oneodio A71 studio headphone, which has just arrived from Amazon. Alright, let's open up and see. Ooh, look at it. Yes. Look at it. This is the pin. This is the pin. Look at it. This is the pin. Ooh. Look at it. Look at it. This is the pin that has just arrived with my headphones. I think this goes through the guitar or whatever. I'm not sure. Alright, here's this. Ooh. It's packed into the base. This is this. The documents give you a guide through as you use this headphone. Right? Hope you can see how it's packed. So all this came through the packaging. Oh, so this one, as you can see here, this one can be used to connect to the headphone. Then you connect to the computer. So I guess this is connected to the computer and this connects the headphone. Or it can connect to the headphone or to the amplifier and stuff like that. As you can see here, it has knobs. There's a knob here. This is the microphone. This is for audio. This is to pause it, stop it, and stuff like that. Alright, that's wonderful. Let me see the back of this paper. Okay, just giving you the instruction in the form of languages and stuff like that. It's in different languages, specification, speakers, frequency, cable, and warranty. That's all about this Oneodio headphone packaging. Power of music, or okay. It is another one, warning and caution before you use the headphone. So this came with my headphone that has just arrived. Okay, as you can see, this is it. Yep, this is the book as well, part of the delivery. So the main boy is here. The main new guy, new boy, my new delivery. Came with the pouch. This is the pouch. Oops, you can see. It's interesting. See it? You can feel it. Can be flipped like this. You're ready to go. It adjusts, I believe, yes. It adjusts on both sides. Okay, and you have a big. So that's how it is. My new delivery from Amazon Oneodio A71. Alright, I'm happy it's here, so I'm gonna try use it on my computer and see how it does.